Hello everyone, welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was up a little over 1.3% today, which was fantastic. We made back everything that we lost yesterday and then some. Finished really strong right at the end, so I'm hopeful for tomorrow also. The probably biggest story that's happening is Friday, Monday, and today we've had leadership from the industries that have struggled the most during this virus situation. Your airlines, your cruise lines, your energy companies, and those types of things are really leading. The technology and advanced healthcare area that we are invested in held its own today, but those other areas are starting to kind of outpace. And what's happening is there's news coming out on a fairly regular basis about potential vaccines, potential therapies, potential cures. None of these are at a point where we're going to be able to use them. Some of them aren't even being tested on humans yet. But the market doesn't need 100% certainty to start betting on it. What might happen in this year? What might happen in 2021? And so we are seeing some motion there. And of course, if the virus was to go away, those industries have a chance to come back. And more importantly, they're really, really low right now. So I just don't like to buy those types of targeted indexes because something that fell 50 to 80%, when the market fell 35, isn't something I really want to put in the portfolio. I think there's too much risk there, and I really don't like doing bottom fishing. What has happened for us with the advanced healthcare and the technology arena, the virus has moved us forward a few years. And so we're investing in the future, but all of a sudden the future is now. And so I think these are things that even when they do fall, people start to come in and nibble at them and keep them moving and keep them moving up. Because everybody's seeing the same things. These are companies that are going to survive and thrive. And as a matter of fact, we have a presentation coming up from BlackRock. They're the largest money manager in the world, and they make the iShares that we use in our portfolio. They're going to specifically present about the mega trends, the big mega trends that they see, and the iShares that they've made for those, a lot of which you own. So you might want to join that. It's going to be August 4th at noon. We'll send out some other information on that shortly. But thank you for listening today. I look forward to talking to you tomorrow, and we'll see how this goes. Thank you very much.